Hello. Are you ready for today's class? Very good. Please don't forget your material, okay? Such as your classwork notebook, homework notebook, a maze book, Superminds books, and your pencil case. Remember, this is only if you need to use them during the online class or in the video class, okay? Very good. Now that you are ready, we can start. Today we are going to check grammar and the topic is simple past question words. The first one we have is what. Please repeat after me. What? Excellent. This question is to ask for information about something. What? When? Repeat. When? This question helps us to get information about time or moment an action occurred. Where? Repeat. Where? This word, this question word, help us to get information about the place or location something happened. Repeat. Where? Who? Repeat. Who? With this question, we can get information about people. Who? Why? Repeat. Why? This question helps us to ask for the reason of something that occurred. Repeat. Why? And we have how. How? This is to ask about manner, quality, or condition. How? Let's check some examples. First, let's remember the structure, which is WH question. Remember, the WH questions are what, when, where, why, how, etc. WH question plus did because we are checking questions in past. Subject, the verb in simple form, and the complement. If you notice, the structure is very similar to what we checked yesterday. The only difference is that we are adding the WH question at the beginning of our question. Okay? So let's check the next examples and let's analyze it. Pay attention. What did Kathy do yesterday? She cleaned the bathroom. If you notice, the green word is what and cleaned. Remember what is asking for something. It can be an object or an activity. In this case, we have an activity. What did Katy do yesterday? She cleaned her bathroom. Next example. When did the package arrive? It arrived at 2 p.m. Remember, when give us information, ask for information of time or moment. So the answer has the hour, the time. When did the package arrive? It arrived at 2 p.m. Next, where did you go on your last vacations? I went to Egypt. Remember, where asks for information of a place. So the answer is Egypt. That is the place. Next, who did Peter scold last week? He scolded Susie. Remember who give us information or asks for information of a person or people. So in this case, the answer is Susie. Susie is a person. Who did Peter scold last weekend? Last week? He scolded Susie. Next. Why did Tom get angry? Because Jane gave him a toothbrush for Christmas present. Remember why? Ask for a reason. So when you have a question with why, the answer always will start with the word because. And this is, we are giving a reason. Why did Tom get angry? Because Jane gave him a toothbrush for Christmas. Poor Tom. Next one. How did the experiment result? It resulted bad. Remember, how is asking for the manner or the quality of something. In this case, the quality is bad. How did the experiment result? It resulted bad. Very good. Now, let's check this activity. Instructions. Read the answers and write questions for each one. In this case, we have answers. Example, Thomas studied in Richmond School. Lydia got up at 6 a.m. I cleaned my house because I wanted to learn a new language. Christy went to the party with Vicky. Ryan and I arrived here by bus. So, over here we have 6 questions. Sorry, 6 answers. So what you have to do is you have to pay attention to the answer, especially to the blue words. If you pay attention to the blue words, you can get the correct question word for each question. So, in this moment, please pause the video. Please pause the video and write this information in your classwork. Write the possible questions and the answers. Okay? When you finish, you can come back to the video and once again, we will check together the answers. Very good. So, let's check the answers. For the number 1, Thomas studied in Richmond School. Richmond School, what is it? Is it a time? Is it a manner? Is it a reason? Is it a place? Exactly. Richmond School is a place. So the question is, where did Thomas study? Where did Thomas study? Remember, we are using our auxiliary past, and in this case, the verb is in simple form because we have auxiliary. Where did Thomas study? Thomas studied in Richmond School. Let's go with the number 2, 6 a.m. What is it, 6 a.m.? Exactly. It's time. So the question is, when did Lydia get up? When did Lydia get up? Lydia got up at 6 a.m. Next, we have I cleaned my house. Cleaned, what is it? Exactly. It's an activity. So the question is, what did you do? I cleaned my house. Next, we have because I wanted to learn a new language. We have the word because. So we are talking of exactly, a reason. So the question is, why did you study English? Probably you selected, why did you learn English? Why did you like English? Those are other options. Why did you study English? Because I wanted to learn a new language. Next, Christy went to the party with Vicky. Vicky is exactly. Vicky is a person. So the question is, who did Christy go to the party with? We are using with because we are talking of company, the company of a person. Who did Christy go to the party with? Christy went to the party with Vicky. And the last one, Ryan and I arrived here by bus. We are talking about, okay, the manner, the form, somebody did something. So the question is, how did you and Ryan arrive here? How did you and Ryan arrive here? Ryan and I arrived here by bus. Okay, very good. Oops, teacher, I don't get it. The expression I don't get it is similar to I don't understand, I have questions. But don't worry, if you didn't get it, I will see you later in the online class and I can answer all your questions. Okay? So, see you. And don't forget, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.